copy a link from any YouTube video you want to, paste it into this software here, and boom, you've just made $1,000. You can repeat this over and over again to earn thousands of dollars. If you're interested in making some good money online, then make sure you keep watching because I have a huge bonus at the end of this video. Okay, so the very first site you guys will want to come to, which we will be using today in order to make money online, is actually going to be YouTube. And you will see how we will be using this site to our advantage to get paid. Now, before we go on, let me make it clear that we won't be creating YouTube videos, so I'm not going to tell you to create a YouTube channel or whatever. We will be just using YouTube in this strategy, not creating or uploading any kinds of videos. With that bit of info out of the way, your very first step on YouTube would be to search for some tutorial type video that a lot of people will be interested in. I searched for how to lose weight fast, as you can see, since the weight loss niche is huge and all of these videos have literally millions of views. You could perhaps type in something like how to become more confident, for example, since I noticed those videos get big numbers too. The point is that what you search for doesn't matter. What does matter is that what you search for is a helpful tutorial type video, not an entertainment video, for example, and that alongside that, it is also in a big niche, and the videos in that niche all have decent numbers of views. You will see why later on these two factors are so important. For now though, you will want to open up any video that you've searched for. I opened this one here as an example. It's called 15 Simple Ways to Lose Weight in 2 Weeks, and it's from a channel called Brightside. And as you can see, this video has gotten over 10 million views, so it's gotten quite a bit of attention, making it the perfect example. What you guys will want to do when you open up your video of choice is click on the share button right up here. That will now display the link of the video which you will want to copy, and you will now want to head over to the next platform we will be using in this strategy. That platform is called Oak.io. This is not only the site we will be using in today's strategy, but actually a platform that will be paying us. But first things first, what is this site and how does it work? Well, this platform functions as a URL shortener. The best platform to compare it to is Bitly. It will basically shorten any URL for you. However, it does differ from your standard URL shortener, like the aforementioned Bitly, in that this site can actually get you paid. And this is how. When you shorten a link with this site and someone clicks on it, they will not be immediately taken over to the destination site. They will instead see a bunch of ads first, and the ad revenue is then split with the person who shortened the link and this site here. And this is, in essence, how this site functions. Now, before we go on, I want to really quick show you something, which is that this platform actually works worldwide. When you click on payout rates here, you will be able to see how much money you're making per 1,000 clicks, depending on where you're from. And when you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you will be able to see it says Worldwide Deal, All Countries. So long story short, this site is indeed available worldwide and it will work for you no matter where you're coming from. Anyways, what you will need to do on here before you're able to shorten any link in the first place is to create an account first. As such, you want to click on Sign Up right here, then enter in your username, email, and password, complete the CAPTCHA by clicking on I'm not a robot, and finally click on Submit to create your account. When you log in, this is how everything will look. This is the dashboard, and it's here where you will be able to see your stats. How many views you've gotten, how much money you have earned with your shortened links, how much money you've earned referring people, and by the way, referring people is a great way to make some extra cash with this site. Anyways, next to that, you can also see your average CPM, or amount of money earned per 1,000 clicks on your links. Now, once you log into your new account, you will now want to paste the link of that YouTube video from a while back into this box here so that you can shorten it. Once you paste it in, just click on Shorten, and this will now shorten that URL for you, and you will now be able to make money whenever someone clicks on it. The last piece of the puzzle missing now, guys, is the traffic. And you really want to stick around because I will show you 2 different ways you can get traffic to your link, and you'll be able to pick and choose between the 2 of them and see which one fits you best. The very first way you can get traffic to your link is through a website called Quora.com. For For those of you who have perhaps never heard about Quora, albeit since it's so popular, that's most likely not the case. Quora is a community-based site where people ask various questions related to just about anything, and then they get answers from the members of the site. Now, the main reason that we want to use Quora as a traffic source is because it's hugely popular. And remember, the more people who see your link, the more of them that will click on it, and the more money you will be able to make. So a site's popularity is directly going to impact the amount of money you will be able to make. And luckily for you guys, Quora is being visited by just over 500 million people on a monthly basis. So it's safe to say that it's one of the most popular sites today, and that is very important because, as I said, the more popular a site is, the more money you'll be able to make. In any case, what you will need to do on Quora is search for the same topic you search for on YouTube. Since I typed in YouTube how to lose weight fast, that is what I searched for on Quora as well, as you can see. If you typed in how to gain confidence, then you will type that in here as well. And what you will want to do from here is answer all of these questions that you can see, answer as many of them as you can, and make sure to never leave the same answer so that your answers aren't viewed as spam and get blocked. What I would want to write in an answer in my case here is something along the lines of, "This is the best guide to losing weight. I lost weight thanks to this video. This is the best video on losing weight," and so on. And I would leave my oak.io link right next to that. And what I would highly recommend you guys do as well is go over to Google and search for a few good tips of losing weight in my case here, and then write them in the answer alongside the oak.io link. In this fashion, you could expect more clicks since it isn't as obvious that you're promoting anything. And by the way, in case Quora doesn't allow you to put the oak.io link directly, you can use many.link here to create a landing page, and then use the many.link URL instead, since Quora won't block this one for sure. In any case, this is how you can get traffic with Quora. By leaving answers to all of these questions, literally thousands of people will be able to see them and then click on your link. And whenever they do so, not only will you actually help them out by sharing with them a YouTube video on losing weight, but you'll also be able to make some money in the process, so it's a win-win situation for everyone. With all of that said though, as I said before, I do after all have two methods with which you can get traffic. And the second one is through the use of this brand new tool right here. If you happen to have a tiny bit of money in your pocket and you don't have time to answer all of those people on Quora, which, let's face it, will get boring and painstakingly long after some time, then this is the perfect tool for you. As you can see, this will get you free buyer traffic in literally 30 seconds and will allow you to earn up to $371 a day in completely passive income. Just below that, you can see that you don't need a website. You don't need any experience nor tech skills whatsoever in order for this to work. In other words, this is perfect for beginners like yourself. Arguably, however, the best part about this is that it will work in any niche you want. So in this video, we are using a shortened link to make money, but you can perhaps promote something as an affiliate and then use this to get traffic to it. And even in that case, it doesn't matter what you are promoting whatsoever, as this will get traffic to it no matter what. The last thing worth noting about this is that they offer a 365-day money-back guarantee and will pay you $200 if this doesn't work out for you. So it's safe to say that this is essentially risk-free. Once again, if you do want to give this a try, and I do recommend doing so, it's the very first link in the description down below. If you, however, don't have the money at the moment, then you can definitely use the free strategy I've shared with you prior and get traffic through Quora, since in that fashion, you'll still be able to make quite a bit of money.